Hey guys, so I have several different types of medical gloves. In this video I'm going to be doing an unboxing as well as a try on of each glove. So I hope you can relax and enjoy this video. You guys requested it and I am delivering it. Let's get started. I've got my box of gloves here. Let's see what's inside. Cool. Okay, so I am going to start off with these gloves. Now, these are not the most exciting in the bunch, so don't click off the video yet. They get better. So yes, these gloves, I guess, would be if you work in fast food, if you, I don't know, but they make cool noises. Especially when you squeeze your hands. They kind of pop. Okay, let's get to some more fun ones. Alrighty, which one should we do next? How about these blue ones? And just so you know, I'm kind of going in the order of least exciting to most exciting, so stay tuned. Let's unbox these ones. So we've got our blue rubber gloves. I don't believe these are latex. I believe these are the rubber. I know a lot of you guys prefer the latex, but I'm going to try on all of them. I guess these could be medical gloves. They could also be cleaning your house or something like that. All right, let's move on to the next one. I'm excited, are you? Next, we have our yellow latex. Let's unzip it. So the unpackaging is part of the ASMR, okay? Ooh, these are kind of long. I wasn't expecting them to be this long. Yeah, these are more, I mean, they're not very tight, but they are a little bit more latex material. Kind of have these like ridges on the bottom, so they make kind of cool sounds. I am your surgeon. All right, let's move on. Which ones shall we do next? Ooh, the blue latex, classic. Let's open them up. Why do they make these so difficult to open? Oh well, more ASMR sounds though. Oh, there's several in here. Perfect. So these I think are your guys' favorite. The classic form-fitting blue latex. Let's try them on. Ooh. These are the ones that kind of snap. Let's do the other one. Ready for business. Say ah. All right, let's do another one. The yellow rubber. And guys, comment down below what your favorite gloves were in this video, okay? But make sure to watch till the end. Ooh. Are these the same as the other ones? They came in different packaging, so. I'm a butterfly. Guys, did you notice I also wore my scrubs? Compliment video. All right, let's do another one. Ah, the pinkish white. Let's see what these ones look like. Really? Gosh, I might need scissors for this one. There we go. Okie dokie. Ooh, these are like transparent. Cool. Slowly put them on. Nice. Now give me your arm. I need to give you a shot. Okay, let's move on. Ooh, I haven't had this color before. Whoa. set with the glove, huh? Alright. Here's a pair. And here's a pair. Let's see what they look like on. They're kind of like purpley. Let's do the other one. Alright, let me inspect your teeth. Yeah, you've got a good bite. Good healthy gums. You're gonna be my patient. All right, let's do another pair. Ooh. Let's see what these look like. These are kind of a cream color. Let's put these on. Yeah, let's do this one. These gloves smell like the dentist office. I am going to be pulling a tooth today. I'm also checking your heart rate. Okay, so I'm going to put a hand on your abdomen, and I want you to breathe in and out real slow, okay? Breathe in and out. And do it again. Breathe in and out. Perfect. Sounds good. Open wide. I'm in my dentist mode right now because these smell like the dentist. So open wide, and I'm going to kind of brush your teeth. All right, let's try another one. You're such a great patient. Oh, what do we have here? I'm not sure which doctor would use these, but I'm gonna try them on anyway. Maybe like a skin doctor. You said you have some spots on your face. Let me check it out. Let's put the other one try something else. Now, I also have my leather gloves that you guys love. So I figured let's just add it to the video. Add it to the collection. These are my mob boss doctor gloves. All right, let's do another one. Now, I figured I'd add this in just for kicks. My boxing gloves. Now, nice sound, huh? Let's do the other one. I'm going to show you my favorite ones of the pile. That was all the gloves, but I'm going to show you my favorite. My favorite are these ones. So I figured, why not put them on again? You ready for your appointment? So yeah, these are probably my number one favorite, but hold on. I think these white ones are probably my second favorite. The one that smells like the dentist. Say ah. Very good, very good. These are buttery soft. All right, everybody. I hope you liked this medical glove unboxing video and try on, of course. So let me know if you'd like me to do one of these in the future. And just remember to like, share, and subscribe.